This is Los Angeles. Los Angeles is in California on the west coast of the United States. People in Los Angeles love food and they love food trucks. There are now over 6,000 food trucks in the city. Food trucks sell lots of different kinds of food, from Mexican and Thai food to food from New Orleans. A food truck isn't a restaurant. It's a kitchen on wheels. But why do people like them so much? First, the food is great. Most fast food is not very good, and it's not healthy. But the food trucks sell good food. They often sell food with some salad and lots of spices. But how much does the food cost? It isn't expensive. Food in many restaurants in Los Angeles is very expensive, but the food from food trucks is cheap. With food trucks, there aren't any chairs or waiters. You just get your food and eat it in the sun. This is Artie Canodia. Artie loves Belgian food, and she sells Belgian waffles and fries from her truck. You make Belgian waffles with eggs, milk, and some flour and sugar. They're delicious. Artie drives her truck to a different place in Los Angeles every day. But how do you find her? Every week, Artie uses the internet to tell people where she is. Some people in Los Angeles don't like food trucks. Restaurants don't like food trucks at all, because people buy food from the trucks and they don't eat in restaurants. And some people think the food from food trucks is too expensive. Food trucks are very popular, though. They are healthy and cheap. People in Los Angeles love them, and they love the food.